If you are a fan of cruise stops in Key West, Florida, or have always wanted to visit Key West, Florida by cruise ship, then today's video is for you. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, if you would do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so, helps our channel grow, and allows us to continue bringing you cruising content. Alright, so Key West, Florida. So last November, the city of Key West voted and passed what essentially is a cruise ship ban. Now, what they actually passed said that cruise ships that carry more than 1,300 passengers could not dock in the port of Key West, and no more than 1,500 passengers could disembark a cruise ship on any given day. Now, with those numbers, that took the majority of cruise lines, especially the big ones here in the U.S., Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, MSC, Disney. It took all of them off of the table and eliminated Key West as a itinerary stop. Well, today that has changed. Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis has signed new legislation in today that overturns the Key West ban on cruising, saying that they do not have the authority to regulate maritime transportation at that local level. And with the passing of the governor's new legislation, that does put Key West back on the table as a possible cruise port here in the future. Now, the local government in Key West is scheduled to meet on July the 6th to discuss the future of cruising in that area, and there could still possibly be some kind of legal action, an appeal to this, or something along those lines. But of course, we won't know that until after they meet on July 6th and then put out some kind of statement as to what their intentions are going to be. But if you are a fan of stops in Key West or have always wanted to visit Key West, there is a good chance that once again it will be accepting cruise ships when it returns as a cruise itinerary stop. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's short video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.